Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete an application on iPhone. Please watch the video till the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Like, comment. Let's get started. In order to delete an application or game on our iPhone or iPad, there are several ways. The first is that you take, and on the home screen, when you have unlocked the phone, long press on your application or game. And there is Remove App. You press here. Then you can press Delete App and delete that app. That was the first way. Second way, go to Settings, open the General tab, then open iPhone Storage. Some downloads may take a while for all the apps to load. As you can see, on my phone I have 256 free and 250 occupied. So it may take a while for your game apps to load. As I have them now. Well, let's wait a little bit. As soon as it's loaded, we'll continue. All the apps and games are loaded. Now choose what we want to delete. Let's say we scroll down to the bottom and find this game. Then there's a tab called Delete App. Click here. We're going to do a careful calculation. If we agree with it, we click Delete App. After that, we delete this app. If you don't want to delete an app, but to hide it, you need to press it. Press Remove App. And here we need to press Remove from home screen. That is to hide it. And if you want to put it back on, you have to open it up. Swipe up like this. Open up a menu like this or swipe to the right like this. And then go to App Library and find this app called Subway Surf. Find it and go in. If you want to put it back here on the desktop, you put it out like this, and it stays there. If you liked this video and helped you, you can be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.